Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Tim here with 8-Bit Chicken, and today we are brewing a Bohemian Style Pilsner, so stick around. Today we're brewing a Bohemian Style Pilsner with 2-row, Carrot 10, Munich, Saaz hops, Galena hops, and Palisade hops. The standard recipe that I do usually just calls for all Saaz, but I'm going to throw some peach into the secondary on this one. And you will kind of get those stone fruit flavors from the Galena and Palisade, and some more so on the nose. So that's why I went ahead and switched that out. So we're going to see how it works out, and I'm very excited for it. The yeast we're using today is just your standard White Labs Pilsner yeast. It's nothing too crazy. We're going to ferment it somewhere around 55 degrees, whatever I can get my refrigerator at. As most of you know, if you're watching this, I would assume you know that lagers and pilsners have to be at a colder temperature to ferment, or they just won't take off. And behind me right here I have the hot liquor tank going. So let's go ahead and start this brew day. One more thing I will say for those of you who have watched my videos, I'm not going to hook my pump stuff up today. Just kind of too lazy to fool with it. I really need a second pump anyways. The one pump just isn't enough, I don't think. So you'll see me doing some just transferring water out of a pitcher into the mash tun, and lautering and things like that the same way. For laughing, all that fancy stuff will just be done with the standard 1-gallon pitcher. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we just got done mashing out. We were at a gravity of 1.044, which is right where we want to be at, so I transferred it into the boil pot, and it's heating up right now. So we're going to continue on brewing. Alright guys, we're about 5 minutes out from our first hop addition. Our boil is getting ready to start. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Saaz at 60, 1.5 ounces of Saaz at 30, 1 ounce of Palisade, first time I'm using it, at 15, and then Galena will be at flame out. So we'll see how this works. I'm really excited for it to get some of that earthy, but then really stone fruit tones on the nose. So keep an eye out, and we'll be adding hops right here.